Here's how to adjust the audio volume in Shotcut. Right-click on the timeline, go to Track Operations, and add an audio track. Drag your audio file onto the A1 track. Select the audio clip and go to Filters. Click the plus icon, search for Gain, and double-click Gain Volume. A slider will appear. Drag it up to increase the volume or down to decrease it. Adjust until it sounds right and play back to confirm. To adjust the volume of only one section of the audio, select the clip and use the split function to cut the audio into 3 parts: the beginning, the middle section you want to change, and the end. Select only the middle clip, add the gain volume filter to just that segment, and increase or decrease it independently. The other sections will stay at their original volume. This gives you precise control over specific moments in your audio. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.